Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू मैथ एकेडमी। आज मैं CSIR नेट लीनियर अलजेब्रा के ऊपर कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट ट्रिक्स बताने वाले हूँ जो CSIR नेट एग्ज़ाम में काम आएगा। एंड द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज लेट ए बी ए 5x5 सिंगुलर मैट्रिक्स। सिंगुलर मैट्रिक्स मीन्स हुज डिटर्मिनेंट इज 0 and we know that determinant of a matrix is product of the eigenvalues. And here says the determinant of A is 0 since A is a singular matrix. So one of the eigenvalues of A is 0 since determinant of the matrix is 0 with complex entries and with dimensions of n a minus 2i I is equal to 1 and dimensions of n a minus 3i is equal to 3. Here dimensions of n means nullity of a minus 3i is 3, where I is the 5x5 identity matrix and n denotes the null space of the A. Then which of the option is true? So first here it is given that A is a singular matrix, so one of the eigenvalues of A is 0, and here dimensions of n of A minus 2i is equal to 1 means GM of twice I is equal to 1. Here we know nullity of A minus lambda I is called GM of lambda. Here dimensions of null space means nullity, so nullity of 2i is 1. It is given that, and also we know that AM is greater than equal to GM, so AM of 2i is also 1. Since it is also given that dimensions of nullity A minus 3i is 3, so here it is given GM of 3 is 3, and by the properties AM is greater than equal to GM, we get also AM of 3 is also 3, and here A is a 5x5 matrix, so total eigenvalues are 5 eigenvalues, and here AM means number of eigenvalues, so eigenvalue 3 is 3 times and eigenvalue 2i is 1 time, so total 4 eigenvalues, and here 0 is 1 eigenvalue, so total 5 eigenvalues of a matrix 5x5 A. So here AM is should be 2i is also 1 and AM of 3 is 3, and also GM and AM of 0 is 1. And it is here given that singular matrix with complex entries, so it is here complex entry. If it is given that rational entries, then also 2i is the eigenvalue, then minus 2i is also eigenvalue, but here given complex entries, so for complex entries minus 2i is not eigenvalues of A. So this is the tricks in the questions, and here all the AM and GM are same for each eigenvalue. So we know for a eigenvalues for a matrix, if AM is equal to GM, then the matrix A is diagonalizable. So option A is true. Option B is number of Jordan block in Jordan canonical form of A are 3. So let's check. Here all the GM means is 3, so GM means number of Jordan block, so here number of Jordan block is 3, and here GM of 2i is 1, so here also number of Jordan block is 1, and so the Jordan block is of the form, since GM of 3 is 3, so number of Jordan block for the eigenvalue 3 is 3, and GM of the eigenvalue 2i is 1, so number of Jordan block of order 1 is 1, and also 0 is the eigenvalue, so of GM is 1, so number of order of 0 is 1. So trace of the matrix, we know its sum of the diagonal elements, so trace of the matrix is 9 plus 2i. So here it is given the 9, so option C is false. And here total number of Jordan block is 5, 1 2 3 4 5, but here it is given that 3, so option B is also false. And here rank of the matrix is clearly 4, rank of the matrix is 4, so option D is also true. Question number 6 is, let A is a 3 by 3 matrix with real entries such that 1 and 2 are eigenvalues of A, and it is given trace of A square plus A is 8. Then which of the option is true? Since here A is a 3 by 3 matrix, so number of eigenvalues is total 3. So here given that 1, 2 are eigenvalue and the late third eigenvalues are lambda. And we know that if lambda is eigenvalues of A, then lambda n is also eigenvalues of A to the power n. So here A square means lambda square is also eigenvalues of A square, and we know that the sum of the matrix A square plus A is eigenvalues are lambda square plus lambda. One of the eigenvalues of A square plus A is lambda square plus lambda. So question number 6 is, eigenvalues of A is 1, 2 and lambda. So eigenvalues of A square plus A is 1 square plus 1, 2 square plus 2, lambda square plus lambda. So 2 plus 6 and lambda square plus lambda, and it is given that trace of A square plus A is 8, and we know that trace of the matrix is sum of the eigenvalues. So here eigenvalues of A square plus A is 2, 6 and lambda square plus lambda. So 2 plus 6 plus lambda square plus lambda is equal to 8. So lambda into lambda plus 1 is equal to 0. So lambda here has two values, one is 0 and another is minus 1. So eigenvalues of A is become 1, 2, 0 or 1, 2 and minus 1. So these are the two possibilities of eigenvalues of A. And here eigenvalues of A is 1, 2, 0 and 1, 2 and minus 1. These are the two possibilities of eigenvalues of A. And we know that if the eigenvalues are distinct, so the matrix is diagonalizable. Here for the two possibilities all eigenvalues are distinct, so A is diagonalizable, but the converse of the result is not true. Clear? And here determinant of A is 0. If we know determinant of a matrix is product of the eigenvalue. Here eigenvalues, product of the eigenvalue is minus 2, and here determinant of the matrix is 0. But in this case his determinant is 0, but in this case his determinant is minus 2. So option B should not be true. So option B is also false. A is not diagonalizable. This option is false by the option A. And determinant of A square plus A is 0. Here the eigenvalues of A square plus A are eigenvalues of A square plus A are 2, 6 and lambda square plus lambda. If we take lambda is 0, then eigenvalues this also 0, and if we take minus 1, then this is also 0. So eigenvalues of A square plus A is 2, 6 and 0. So determinant of the matrix A square plus A is product of the eigenvalue, and here one of the eigenvalues is 0. So determinant of A square A is 0. So option D is true. अगर आप लोगों को मेरे वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना एंड शेयर विथ फ्रेंड्स. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.